Hi, my name is John Gibson. I'm with All American Roofing, and today we're going to talk about how to cut the gable or the rake in this area here of the roof in a very clean and precise manner. So please stay tuned for more information. So this, we're going to cut the gable. The overhanging shingles on the gable have to be trimmed off. So the best bet doing this is with a straight blade, like a metal framing square. So when we first start doing this, we're going to lift it up slightly and just run the shingle or the knife blade up on the metal. Best bet is also with your knee pads. Hold this here with your knee pad on the back side. Hold it with your hand on the front. Lift up the shingle and then slightly tilt the knife in at an angle like this. And a little bit, you miss, just trim them off. So the reason that we cut the shingles over, they come over 15 mil over from the barge flashing, and this is a termination point with the wood. So the barge flashing here hides the edge of the plywood, and then we have paper that's wrapped up down the fascia or the gable here, and that waterproofs the roof. We give the overhang to shed water away from everything, and any water that gets in here will wick down the front of that and keep the building envelope watertight. So again, we just trim these up and then we get a nice clean line. That's good.